This is my 2015 Mustang EcoBoost. It has full bolt-ons. I installed most of the parts by myself. The only thing I didn't install was the auxiliary hoses, the radiator hoses, and the new radiator. I had JMS do that. It's tuned by Lund. JMS is the ones that tuned it. This is the outside of the car. There's the front. There's the back. If you want to follow my build, follow me at Colby_Nemo56. That's my Instagram. I'm going to be going big turbo with the new fuel system in December and a built engine in the new year. Stay tuned.